A large number of PhD students failed to conduct a systematic literature review. The reason was not because it is difficult, but rather they failed to commit with PRISMA guidelines. So PRISMA guidelines stands for Preferred Reporting Items for Systematic Literature Review and Meta-Analysis. So in order to complete these guidelines, you need to finish 6 steps. Number 1 is planning. So you need to plan for research questions that cover the area you are investigating, whether this area is emerging area or it is well-structured area. Number 2 is searching strategy. So searching strategy is about to identify the well-structured academic databases and keywords. So academic databases such as Scopus, Web of Science, ERIC for educational study, PubMed for medical study, all of this you can find somehow, and they are quite known in the field. But don't forget as well to structure a number of keywords using Boolean algebra and parameters as well, and more, and try to reach up with the common sense in the field, which concept is quite known and well established and well investigated in the field. Number 2 is selecting phase or selection. So selection is about to read the paper and decide whether it is relevant to your study or not. So reading a paper, you can read easily the title and then going through abstract and then finalizing this quick screening, as we say, by reading the conclusion. Once you decide the study is relevant, so you can include it. Inclusion also not about the relevancy, but as well about the quality of the study. So you need to keep in mind to select from peer-reviewed journals and avoid predatory publication, as we say. Number 3 is after planning and searching strategy and selecting strategy is extracting the data. Data extraction means that you need to pick up the important information from scientific paper. For instance, author name, the title, the aims of the papers. Sometimes you need to know the strategy or methodology of the paper, like data collection, data analysis, and don't forget to end this process with the finding of paper. So you can do extraction by collecting some tables using Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and then prepare it for the next step. After data extraction, you move to data synthesis. And data synthesis is the most complicated phase in conducting literature review, because you need to combine this literature together and find to what extent the researcher agreed about one point or have different ideas about the same point. So in that case, you need to identify themes, study themes, by combining this result and reach to the final idea came up with. After you identify this, it will be clear for you the knowledge gap, which you need to list it in your study and justify the rule of your research to cover these gaps. And then you come to the end is to write up the report and finalize the systematic literature review.